Hi, I'm Jared Hayes, and this is my 15.1.12 term project. For my term project, I made a Python rendition of the popular board game Settlers of Catan. My game is a full implementation of the game. However, you can also ask computer for help on what actions it thinks you should take. You start off by entering the number of players and each player's name. I am placing in the first elements. If you try to build in a place that is not allowed, the game will not let you. Once you place in all the first elements, the first resources will be handed out, which can be seen now, as the resources just changed. You can ask the computer on what it thinks about building and where you should build. I will see where it thinks I should build. It suggests that I build over here, which I shall do. You can ask the computer what its thoughts on trading are. The computer cannot find any good trade offers that you should undertake. You can ask the computer for its thoughts on development cards. Okay. Normally start off with 0 development cards, but I start off with an amount so I can show some stuff, which it can be seen there. I'm going to use one of the development card types. Okay. When you click end turn, it rolls the dice and passes the resources for the next turn. Okay. Okay. Now, since I have the most roads, which is over the amount needed for the most roads tile, I'm awarded 2 more victory points. And then you can see your victory points by clicking here, which shows me that I have 4 victory points. And lastly, I will show that the computer can show you where you should place your first elements by restarting the game. I'm just entering random players' names since it doesn't really matter. I'm going to show what the computer recommends for the first settlement. And it recommends I build a settlement at that pink point. Thank you for watching.